Hey guys, this is Lavina. Welcome back to my channel. I am super excited to announce that I have finished my 4x4 album tutorial. This is how my album looks like. So let's get right into the tutorial. For the hinge, I am going to start with a piece of paper that is 7 inch by 4 inch. As you can see this. This is going to be very lightweight cardstock I am using right now. We were going to score at 1.5 cm, 0.5 cm, 1 cm, 1 cm and so on in this way, as you can see on the screen. I'm going to use this tool to mark all the lines as I have mentioned in this video. This is how it looks like. So now we were going to join together the first two lines here, the first two 1 cm, and we were gonna skip on next one and we were gonna paint the next two and escape and pinch on the next two and the same with the rest, and then we were gonna turn this around and we were going to join together all the hinges. We were just gonna add glue or double-sided tape and we were gonna press it down, and then I'm going to do the same for each one of the hinges. Now I am going to use two pieces of hard cardstock 4¼ inch, leaving 1.5 cm from both sides. I am going to measure my hinge. This is exactly 4 cm, so I am going to use another one cardstock and measure the inches and cut down it. Now I am using 14.5 cm by 30 cm sheet to cover my 3 pieces. I am just going to paste all these 3 pieces of cardstock on my sheet. Now I'm just gonna fold the cardstock around and then press it down, and I'm gonna do the same to all the sides. It's really important to bend your cardstock before you press down, and that way you were not stressing your paper and you were not cracking your paper. Once I have 3 pieces laid down, I'm going to cut the corners. Now I'm just using tacky tape and continue wrapping everything around. Now we were gonna go ahead and add the hinge into the spine of the book. I'm using tacky tape to paste it on the spine, and make sure that your hinges are centered on the spine also. I am going to need two cardstock for 4x4 inches. I'm going to glue these on the sides of the book to give a little bit more support to the base. Now I'm using these colorful papers. The size of these papers is 4 inches by 8 inch. Now I am making a side pocket. For this I am using this black paper and going to paste it on the purple one, and I'm also using a white color lace which I purchased from my local market. I'm just gonna add this pocket and paste the lace on the top of. After adding all the flaps, I'm just going to decorate my album with stickers and lot of tags and many more things. From the beginning, I'm just going to start with the front of the album. I'm just adding this one cardstock and going to decorate it with beautiful stickers I have with me. Before pasting these stickers, I'm just going to use green color ribbon in contrast with my album. As you can see, I just paste the ribbon on the album and then going to add all the stickers and stuff on my album. I'm using double-sided foam tape to give it a 3D effect on the top. You can paste the pictures and add message cards in this album and gift it to your loved ones as a memory. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do like and subscribe to my channel and share your feedback also. Thanks for watching. Thank you once again.